Hi everyone, here is my quick explain everything on one of the 7 ancient wonders of the world, the Colossus of Rhodes. So Rhodes is an island off the coast of Turkey, and it was a very strategic place in the ancient world. So, what is a colossus? A colossus is a huge statue, right, that stood at the open mouth of the harbor that led into the island of Rhodes. So, this colossus at Rhodes depicts the sun god Helios. Helios was an ancient god that the Greeks and then the Romans revered. This colossus was built during the 3rd century BC, so years 292 to 280 BCE, and it took 12 years to build. The colossus stood over 108 feet tall, and that's about the same size as the Statue of Liberty. This colossus was designed by a local man on the island of Rhodes, Charles of Lindus, and it was built to commemorate a victory that the island of Rhodes had over a general who lived on the island of Cyprus. And after they won the battle, they laid down all their siege armor and they melted it down to help build this colossus. So what's the colossus made out of? It's made out of huge stones that were joined together by iron bolts on the inside. And then, after they built it, they covered it with huge sheets of bronze. All of this was then placed on the white marble blocks. It was said that it took a huge feat, must have taken a huge crane that lifted this up onto those blocks. But then in 224 something BC, something tragic happened. There was an earthquake. And our colossus fell down. It stood like that with pieces of it sticking up on the harbor and broken in half right at the knees for almost 800 years. In 672 AD, pieces of it were finally carted off to be used for other materials by a Muslim general in Turkey. Finis, thanks for listening.